Now, there are three separate cases when simple present tense is beautifully used. Just watch the beauty of the simple present tense in those sentences. First, demonstration. When you are demonstrating something before a lot of people, before your audiences. Like, first, take the oranges, then peel them. After that, put them in a juicer. You're demonstrating something. You're talking about making juice. So, it's a demonstration. Take the oranges, take. Verb's first form, simple present tense. Next, peel the oranges. You're again demonstrating it. Peel, P-E-E-L, verb's first form, simple present tense. Put them in a juicer. Put, P-U-T, put, verb's first form, simple present tense. In the demonstration method, you use simple present tense by using the first form of the verbs. Next, when you are describing a completed series of actions, let me clarify it with example. I go to the market, I pick up the cart, I take the items and put them on the cart. A series of events, a chain of events, and you're describing it one by one to another person. In those cases, you don't have to use any other tense, just use simple present tense. I go to the market, I take the items, I put them on the cart. In every action, for every action there is a verb, and all those verbs are in its first form, showing the simple present tense.